You've heard of ChatGPT, you've probably played with Gemini. But what if I told you there's an AI that might outshine them both, not just in smarts, but in safety too? Meet Claude Opus 4, Anthropic's latest powerhouse, released May 22, 2025. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes Claude Opus 4 so special. Its features, real-world performance, and why developers, researchers, and even CEOs are calling it a game-changer. Is this the smartest and safest AI yet? Let's find out. This is AppSolute, your go-to channel for all things app solutions and AI power tools. If you're all about smart tech, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an AI drop. Let's start. So, what exactly is Claude Opus 4? It's the flagship model in Anthropic's Claude 4 family, alongside Claude Sonnet 4. Think of it as the brainiac older sibling designed for heavy-duty tasks like writing complex code, conducting deep research, and planning multi-phase projects. What makes it special? 1. Long-form endurance. Claude can work autonomously for up to 7 hours straight. Seriously. Rakuten tested this with a 7-hour open-source code refactor, and it nailed it. Whether it's documents analysis, reports writing, or thesis planning, Claude's got the stamina to stick with you. 2. Hybrid reasoning system. Need a quick answer? It responds fast. Complex challenges? It slows down. It's like having both a sprint and a marathon runner in one AI. 3. Tool mastery. Claude can search the web, run code, and analyze files, all on the fly. It fluidly switches tools depending on what you need. 4. Memory that actually works. Claude remembers context across sessions when working with local files. For example, it can remember the Pokémon characters and maps you're building in your fan-made navigation guide. 5. Claude Code SDK. This one's a gift to devs. Claude's SDK is part of a productivity suite that's made for real-world programming. Teams at Cursor, Replit, and Block are raving about how it handles massive codebases with pinpoint accuracy. Where can you get it? Claude Opus 4 is available via Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud Vertex AI. API pricing: $15 per million input tokens, $75 per million output tokens. Solid value for the muscle it brings. Performance breakdown: how does it stack up? 1. Coding power. Claude scored 72.5% on the SWE Bench Verified benchmark, and 43.2% on Terminal Bench. That makes it the top coding model globally, outperforming GPT-4 and Gemini 2.5 Pro in crucial developer tests. 2. Extended reasoning. Claude Opus 4 handles up to 64,000 tokens with ease. Check these scores. GPQA Diamond, 74.9%, MMMLU, 87.4%, MMMU, 73.7%, AM, Math, 33.9%. It beats Sonnet 4 across the board. While some tasks may favor the competition, Claude shines where factual consistency and long context reasoning are required, especially in enterprise settings. Let's talk about safety. And this is where Claude Opus 4 really flexes. It's 65% less likely to exploit loopholes or take risky shortcuts compared to its predecessor, Claude Sonnet 3.7. Plus, it often explains its reasoning. About 5% of the time, you'll see a summary of how it reached a conclusion. Want deeper transparency? Devs can unlock more with developer mode by contacting Anthropic's sales team. Why does this matter? Well, when you're dealing with legal work, medical data, or anything mission-critical, you want an AI that doesn't just get the job done. You want one you can trust. Who should use it? Claude Opus 4 is ideal for knowledge workers, students writing theses, researchers conducting literature reviews, devs debugging massive codebases, teams planning long-term strategy. Real users are already obsessed. Cursor, for example, calls it state-of-the-art for coding complex codebases. Replit pinpoints its precision in multi-file edits. Block says it boosts code quality in their agent, Goose, during editing and debugging. While Cognition highlights its ability to handle tough challenges with accuracy. Final verdict. So, is Claude Opus 4 the smartest and safest AI model right now? For long-form reasoning, transparent safety, and professional-grade coding, yes. Is it perfect for every task? Maybe not. Niche models might win in ultra-specialized jobs, but if you want a balanced, reliable, and smart AI that you can trust across the board, Claude Opus 4 is very tough to beat. Want to dive deeper? We've linked Anthropic's full docs in the description. What do you think? Is Claude Opus 4 redefining the future of AI language models? Tell us in the comments, we read them all. Like this breakdown, subscribe and turn on notifications, and stay tuned for our next video.